The chemistry of coffee. Exploring the surprising health benefits of caffeine, chlorogenic acid, and more. Coffee is a complex mixture of chemicals, but some of the most important chemical compounds found in coffee include caffeine, a natural stimulant that is responsible for the energizing effect of coffee. Caffeine belongs to a group of compounds called xanthines. Chlorogenic acids, a group of polyphenols that are found in high concentrations in coffee. Chlorogenic acids are believed to have antioxidant properties and may have a beneficial effect on blood sugar levels. Trigonelline, a nitrogen-containing compound that gives coffee its characteristic aroma. Trigonelline is also believed to have some health benefits, such as protecting against tooth decay and reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3, niacin, is an essential nutrient that is found in small amounts in coffee. Acetaldehyde, a volatile organic compound that contributes to the aroma and flavor of coffee. 2-ethylphenol, another volatile organic compound that contributes to the aroma and flavor of coffee. It is produced by certain species of bacteria during the fermentation process that occurs during coffee production. Quinic acid, a type of acid that is found in coffee and gives it a slightly acidic taste. Quinic acid is also believed to have some health benefits, such as reducing the risk of kidney stones. Melanoidins, brown-colored compounds that are formed during the roasting process and give coffee its characteristic color and flavor. Melanoidins are also believed to have some health benefits, such as antioxidant properties and a potential role in reducing the risk of certain diseases. Cowill and cafestol, the terpenes that are found in coffee oil, cowill, and cafestol have been shown to have potential health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and improving liver function, but they may also increase cholesterol levels. Theobromine, a xanthine that is similar to caffeine, but has a milder stimulant effect. Theobromine is also found in chocolate and has been shown to have some potential health benefits, such as improving cognitive function and reducing blood pressure. Dimethyl disulfide, a sulfur-containing compound that is responsible for the roasty aroma of coffee. Acidity regulators. Coffee contains various acids that contribute to its taste, such as citric acid, malic acid, and acetic acid. Sugars. Coffee contains various sugars, such as sucrose, glucose, and fructose, which contribute to its sweetness. Lipids. Coffee contains small amounts of lipids, such as triglycerides and free fatty acids, which contribute to its mouthfeel. Minerals and trace elements. Coffee contains various minerals and trace elements, such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which are essential nutrients for human health. Amino acids. Coffee also contains various amino acids, such as glutamic acid and aspartic acid, which contributes to its flavor and aroma. Pyrazines. These are nitrogen-containing compounds that are formed during the roasting process and give coffee its characteristic nutty and chocolatey flavors. Phenolic acids. These are a group of organic compounds that are found in coffee and have antioxidant properties. Some examples of phenolic acids found in coffee include caffeic acid and ferulic acid. Carbohydrates. Coffee contains various carbohydrates, such as cellulose and hemicellulose, which are not usually present in the brewed coffee, but are present in the coffee bean. Volatile organic compounds (VOCs). Coffee contains many VOCs that contribute to its aroma and flavor, such as furans, pyrroles, and pyridines. The exact composition of coffee can vary depending on many factors, including the species and variety of coffee plant, the region in which it was grown, the processing method used, and the roasting and brewing techniques. However, the chemical compounds mentioned above are some of the most important and common ones found in coffee.